Oh wait, it has to start with one of these.
I love how you always try and justify it. Wow, this is actually embarrassing. Are these melodies too difficult for you?
No. No, it's not a problem.
Clearly it is.
I don't know the bed!
You say it's not a problem, yet we're still sat here listening to the same birds over and over.
Can you do your best impression of birds for me?
Why don't you try going chirp, 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 and I'll follow along.
Chirp, chirp.
I'm too shy to
chirp,
start.
Chirp. It's like a chirp, 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 chirp.
Okay, my turn. Ba ba ba.
I like yours better. It's not that one. It's a different one. Okay. Everybody, I need silence in the studio. Silence in the studio, please.